This is a tip for exporting a Cornerstone report to Excel. So I'm going to take an example report and choose the Export Report to Excel button. I'm going to choose to open it in Excel. Now, one thing I like when I create an Excel report is to add filtering and make it more legible by using this option here, Insert and Table. So I'm going to choose that, and I can go with the defaults. But notice the headers are now white on gray text, and there's no alternating colors. The filtering's there, but I can fix this. I'll go to Home, and then I'll choose this drop-down menu next to the paint can and choose No Fill. And now you'll see that it's nicely formatted. There are some other formats you can do. If you go to Table Design, you can pick other colors and other types of formatting. But the key there is to go to the Home button and choose No Fill to reset the formatting that comes over from Cornerstone.